goodness. I am checking out the brakes. I figured it's been a long time since I did a brake job. But here I am doing my brakes. I got new rotors and new pads and stuff. I'm trying to figure out like what this noise is. Nasty squeak. You know, you get that squeak when you need to do your brakes. You got that squealer. The squealer in the back of your pad. It starts squealing. I was gonna squeal, but yeah, look at that. Plenty of tune left in these pads. Turned out there was a rock flung up in there. Taking rock flung up in there. Right here, squealing against the back of the rotor. Believe that? Freaking rock. I don't need pads or rotors.